Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you all the books that I read for my optional subject. And my optional subject is philosophy. And I am not expert in this philosophy. I am just a simple aspirant like you. First and foremost, we should revise the syllabus. While reading the syllabus, you know what is important and what is not important in our examination perspective. In this optional subject, two important books. One is Patanjali, another one is Mitra IAS. This is the textbooks which I referred, and here is the basic books of philosophy. These two books are very important for philosophy optional subject. Now I am going to show you all my books for optional subject one by one. Here is books which I learned for my optional. Now I will show you Mitra IAS. This book covers the entire syllabus of the philosophy. I got these books from Amazon, and definitely if you want to buy it, you can buy it online or offline mode. The price of these books is below 500 rupees. And this is the first book I read for my optional subject. Now I am going to show you my textbooks. In these textbooks, I can refer the important topics which I learned in Mitra IAS book. Now coming to the first textbook, Ancient Greek Philosophy, taught by Vijay Tanka. This book related to Western philosophy, and this book covers many important topics like Socrates, Aristotle, Plato, Kant, and many other philosophers are also available in this book. And the price of this book is 250 rupees. My second book is A Critical Survey of Indian Philosophy by Chandradhar Sharma. This book related to Indian philosophy. And this book had many important topics like Vedas, Jainism, Buddhism, Yoga, Nyaya, Purma Mimamsa and other important topics available in this book. And the price of this book is 270 rupees. Here you can see the Indian philosophy related books. This is also important book for Indian philosophy. My third book, An Introduction of Indian Philosophy by Satish Chandra Chatterjee. And this book had many topics like Vasishtha, Charvaka, Jain and Ramanujana conception of God. And the price of this book is 195 rupees. Here the book of Introduction of Religious Philosophy by Marshall. This book had many topics like cosmological arguments, teleological arguments, the problem of evil, and many other topics available in this book. Personally, I believe that if you really want to have religious philosophy as your optional subject in UPSC, and you cannot avoid in this book because it covers many topics and many important aspects, definitely you need to go for this book. If you really want to have religious philosophy as your optional subject, and the price of this book is 325 rupees. And my fifth book for philosophy optional is Social and Political Philosophy by O.P. Gopa. This book deeply connected with political aspects. It is very important book for UPSC perspective. Maximum questions comes from this book. It is very crucial for UPSC and it covers many important concepts for philosophy like state and sovereignty, individual and state, democracy, liberty and other important concepts available in this book. And the price of this book is 375 rupees. After completion of textbook rating, I wrote my notes. This is my notes. I wrote every unit here. While I am writing notes, I can refer textbook and coaching institution books. In these books, Patanjali has in-depth content and Mitra is also the best book. I think nearly 11 books to complete my entire optional subject. It takes 3 months of time for completed my optional subject. And finally, I refer the previous year's question paper. Here is the best book for the previous year's question paper and answer, the Chronicle edition. This is the best book for revised sections also. Thank you for watching this video. Now I am ending this video here. I hope all are doing very well.